ZegoCloud changes everything about building real apps. Most ways of building apps requires a step-by-step process of writing traditional codes or you know how to code. In this video, I'm going to show you how ZegoClouds make building apps much easier and faster, avoiding constant mistakes, save thousands of dollars and launch real working apps without needing a few engineering teams. For those new here, welcome to the channel, U-GINE Media. We teach and expatiate codes and share source codes online. Hit the like button to help us grow our community. Let's dive in. The first thing you have to do is to head onto the site ZegoCloud.com. You sign up for an account. Head over here. I already have an account, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on Login and log into my account. We'll log in with Google. Your homepage should look like this. We have the dashboard, we have the project management, analytics dashboard, usage statistics, billing center. All these ones aren't necessary. What we have to do here to start creating the voice and video application. We will click on Create Your Project. Then here we have list of apps you can use or you can create with ZegoClouds. We have voice and video call app, video conference, live streaming, live audio room, in-app chat, customized app, telehealth, one-on-one tutoring, live shopping, game streaming and so much more. You can check it out on your own, but for the sake of this video we just have to focus on voice and video call app. Let's click on it and click on Next. Then we'll name our application here. Let's name it VC, then we'll click on Start with UIKits. We'll wait for it while it goes to 100%. We'll click on Start Building Your App. Here you select for web. There's a one-on-one group call configuration, or you can choose a group call. Anyone you want to configure it to. We'll be creating this app for a group call, so we're going to choose a group call configuration and select grid or any format you want your application to be. For the sake of this video we'll be choosing grid, then we'll click on this button, save and start to integrate. We'll wait for it while it loads. So we're going to let it access our microphone. Allow everything time and likewise our camera. So this is it, the app is live. We'll head on and click on Get the config file and integrate. Then here, you click on one-click deployment. If you want to deploy your application on GitHub, but we're going to use via HTML file for us to test it on our local system. It's done downloading. We're going to head over to our Visual Studio Code and test it out. Open your Visual Studio Code. When you open it, it should look like this. Click on Open File. Then go to Downloads. Then select your file and open. Open. Then what we have to do, we have to run this. Click on Go Live over here. So right here our web is live right over here. You can join using this join link. Use your link and likewise you put your friends on anywhere you wish can join using this link that is shared. So this is how you can successfully integrate voice and video application using ZegoClouds or adding it to your application also on any project you're building. Head over to the application. Here you can also create other applications that you wish to, using the API integration. If you want me to show you how to use it, the API integration comment API, then I'll make a video on that. Meanwhile, when you sign up for this account using the link in the description below, you'll get 10,000 free credits. You can also check the live streaming, live audio, one-on-one tutorial, online karaoke. You can create these applications using local tools simply within minutes using ZegoCloud. If you enjoyed the video so far, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button to enable us grow our community and likewise this video to reach a wider audience. See you in the next video.